Sorry, folks. Sorry, folks. I just had to walk to the grocery store for that laugh. Hashtag that, people. Calm down. Calm down. Just do it. Calm down. It's not how you get in a hotel. That's my other phrase. That's not how you get in a hotel. No, Patrick. Hey. Didn't you hear me? You're the retard. At least I don't want to hold my Unrelench 8000. Yeah, it really packs a punch. If you watch that episode when he says that, pack a punch. Oh, this video is so much fucking funny. Oh my god. God damn. Okay, let's just start. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I'm done with that. So, welcome me, everyone. Welcome me. We're gonna do a rap battle together. Grandma eats crap at the grocery store. Trash bag. In the trash bag, you are an effing FAG. See, people, I don't try to swear. If you didn't hear me, I'll say it again. Your grandma eats a bag of crap in the grocery store because you are such a effing she doesn't like you anymore. So that's why she does it in the first place. It looks like you're gonna have to leave and button up your shoelace and then leave with your suitcase. You don't have any, because you don't have any roommates either. You would shut up if I have a cleaver in my hand. You don't got nothing to understand. Alright, that's all for now. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Of episode,